ye ho me machia nti ye ba bebo enkomo ara na free sabre ko de mesre wada omode yan so betwe ba fide ni ye pa na wati na ensem we no si chese utumi se ekoso papa na ye hwe okwan ye befa so a ye betumi adanda ye ho e wo sa nsem mu eno nti dikaje number no to okra eduru ha no afre 0302 216545 troto ebrepam ye be lines na anya fe na bagasa mante na e kontem dodo 0302 216545 and 0302 216546 0302 216546 I say kayana omobolo to so memeda nwumre na we na ba TV so tube so bia akotra TV no ho ni enwen ya no oyi ya na mo beti single one na aye din no sabe bo ba kwa ka ho 65
FM
45 22 10 Boys aye di this are near the ayi no radio no internet ayi no dua de no dua radio no abusia from akwa
Lywood radio
nam hoye
Adom
nti kan radio no se na
Lywood de ni
nua de no o no mo friend bibi international bibi na ekradi bi
I can radio one pe BBC pe
pe no kwa e ba kakra e bottle of mo kan we mo ko Radio Ghana
oh na de no is still on board.
Yes
no but no wash I go for no mbolo to na sabe ma pa wa ko twa bi nti wa ko twa loto ni bi nti o radio nti uye de ba kwa de ama be bo uye de ba kwa be nti ye bolo to no wa nwe na so edi mi so ye bo na mba na nwe wa so se de ye bolo to na mbes no 0302 216545 ebrepam na also watch the radio na komo ebedi ni mobile phone abarefo any mobile phone use ewufi oha be na de aba na emfami phone me phone to emfa edien na wa na wo phone no so me phone de ya emfa password da so eche kurei ya na edien tia edien na ya na ma awarefo mpokura mpra twefo yi chese
Asempa FM
password e bi kura do omani obi ensa oye ni sei na nani ohran nani kakra na bie e bi nso de ayi wo mokokro motie yi ene wo monsatea na aye password edien ko ana wo so edien na mudi sie bu ho sa warefo edien na akofo ha bebre aba mobile phone small device akobi was atomic device small edien na akofo aba enti ne ho nkomo ana ye ba betwetwe se family phone sa ayi no eyen hyehyɛ bi esa warefo kro mo hyehyɛ bi de phone to ha emfa ne sa ade no ekoso anase sena etie Asempa 94.7 FM from Mike 2 IB owura ajekum wo ha yehwe kwan se yensa beka Dr. Oreku Junior na beka ye hon anoti Facebook live Asempa 94.7 gift entered e de ekoho anoti misro de agisese ya na kohwe na wo de wadwen kire ato ho na afi yakenkan de amawo wo hwe nso na wo chairman crofo na wo share se ne be ya obi nso bitime anya bi ahwe abejafo mamesa mama kwa babiu
Enua
na mo hoyo
onyame anu
correct enemesha se free uraje kumso
boy Me used to. Masaki Madre say, I been.
Hey, also Kojare, was my Jarada. Hey,
but I'm ready.
Was
used to.
Also Kojare, also Mamma Jarada.
Oh, he said, I be or Casano Mateki Q, Winter.
I be my message from say. Already Kuba Cano. I mean to make a normal form. I'm just saying so.
Okay, the use of mobile phone. In fact, Oshe partners are. And your bonus anchor phone down anchor partner fa. Or the book game, no, or maybe our check on one meal, you will money at the other. So, Asempa Papa. But I know a toda. And then Tower, about what dim. It's answer. Or Babby for phone as well for phone. Or fire no call or messages. If we are CBI, so be in your privacy. Irrespective to say bia, or worry or bar. What you say? Say your bar, say your bema. And so the privacy then. Emma, your content of message be on more. Okay, she no more. Be angle out the kind,
when you're comfortable.
Who are come on. Personally, me my Mrs. Taketwa. Only you know. Mobile phone easy. Our giant number.
I can't
do my quite siano. Catcher and say, Finn, going for phone biom. One for phone biom. Ntokwana etu twae omo anku biom besin ne they are living peacefully. Oh nti ade a the way you obefa no e den na efese bia phone da ho password bia na so e bia ni bejes impo biasi na ohun kani afa e de aye call efe e den na efese oba phone da ne bema afa e bia no de aye call efe obehu na onipa no o track o suspect obi a fine bisa no. You should ask the person, say, Minya, and I say, Medofu, say, you said, Mom, so oh, yeah. Why do you have to track someone on the phone? Obi password, pa, or boy, instead.
Yeah, I think.
Nina,
or could get a crowd of way. Nina, or the other seminar.
You're all more. Abia, or baby, into a DC or ban. You will be also on your she, but to save Nawarian, not the password that 2 phones. Because who say Obian Nakuma, Obian said who are there or fun. Obenya Bema who are there. Or I'm try Dibisa. We know how to approach and ask. It also own to me the same way. So your baby on my message be pa and home popo. Obenya Kumaya de. Obesho was not anymore. She know Kitrium. Obesho, it's a impression of the pecky and into no or kind content in born kind need
and no what you say
see bonnet. Oh, it's a Berman person bed sitting and not in the password that two pepper and I say a woman family for me for a phone. What they are a cell phone. Men family them men forward there as we do with the beer.
Eh, she share now quite
she share no into a sebo more. Men say a beer or banana and tears. But I saw them if you not a jeepney. Men family for me for a phone. Sometimes it's okay.
No people say me cry me there also crowd there. What the day?
Yeah, minim I thought that women feel uncomfortable with guys. Seriously. Especially kakra no anya call. What point juma we anya call. Ebia what for phone no WhatsApp. No
okasakra no attention.
No WhatsApp. Na dwin na so no ba na yesa de no. And oba na on anya danfo. Na dwin no. To person hu ne tuam. Hwe your member bi on ma the phone. Ne wife wo betimi afa yen no pe o so enfa no. Isan say onya edu efigate no pe no a block it. Na yi ni kunkum bansin na. Na
mutumi yesa o.
Oh, omo yesa pa. Oh, technology. Papa no a block it. Okay, nice message ya no a delete. Oh, ebia edi no eye adwoa.
Yesa mutumi ye na na no obi de akra.
Adwoa no aye no kwadwo. Kwadwo, adwoa no kwadwo se epe. Kwame no aye na ama no aye na kwame. Ya no aye na yawo.
No
simple ebia Mr. Yawo.
Na no ebi dia bi hu on Facebook. Em so say are you at work?
Aha. Edia was say.
Yes.
Oh, ni nae. Unse, hwe bibia ye kase nye bia ye oba bi o. Oh, sometimes I dey be on my way e save you aware. save because oba betimi de ahomte anhwe yan na ebeba no enya de papa ebi so ododofo odono pa ebi a onye hwe ebi also a ebi a humanize about he's trying to change it's never be one person be who answer tell so be the best for the better but ade e omo kapa ne say anka phone ne say anka lock no anka sinti I say ye adwuma ma obi amfa ne yonko phone but when it comes to emergency a ofa de bibia anya hwe enti say sad ne be ye adwuma ofo obi phone don't go to the message okopɛ den ho call no be ya message okopɛ den message
hwe bi
omo fine ya ade omo bie face WhatsApp message and text message
na for copy pictures
no akɔ gallery no akɔ hwe
hwe try de ama no
it's now no ko beach mpo na wan fami anko oba be ni eno ani o say ya give we ma hu ni picture be 5 interrogation enye man kwa interrogating o mema so e dey ma seriously mema so dey ma pa ne mema dey ni po dey more serious mema dey do who are story boom
action
no who ya especially mema when you comfortable with who can is more serious than oba because the man dey omo kasa keke sebi or he did there no can not but mema dey who are to try and be di actually who ya action enti ni no se ko ba se bia wanko your baby wa wanko check ya sane ma we na ma enti to save Asempa this well no e thought that what the password to so it me bo akaka e thought that
obi so can say password no kra anya se bia obedu fake because ye we never be ho e bia bia wo adwuma wo one fap and so because some of the phones now bani bi ha o man password will be we akra won't be emphasize can you true ne omo use iPhone in your account it me nyini say ye efie ne abrabo bi e obi bo ma asem ne ne keka ho ntine bi a password no ba to
so more na ye say confusion be ba fi ntia one for the password to on phone because say e bia only confusion ho a your wife should know your password she should know it.
In case of emergency,
there's nothing to hide. In case of emergency, ebi ana ohia phone dey ade. Ebi mpona na wan kasampo, nyame fa sam akukuma.
Na wo yare kura ho.
Bibi how. Na odu phone e be frɛ wadanfo bi ama na be boa na. Oni wadanfo number na so oni airtime that time. Oben den. Nti onye papa no adwen bone. But because of say confusion because more na I didn't talk about. Mobile phone ya dey go aware pa o. Mobile phone a go aware papa. But the moment password does it save you a lot of things. It save you pa. It save you because bibi an kan papa enye chere wanko hu a e de asemeba wanko hu hwi wanko message bia wanko kan hwi de dey say okay mi kunu de mi phone o ma menfa but de bia sum bi ofi but the moment e bia wo be expose ade no so obi an akoma en ha na e bia obi otimi approach asem yie e ma asem no e kama e bia obi tu no boas no ba bisa o e bia en kwa bonten enfant to kwama ode akokoro be bisa o ye wo mu ne twam no aka kire na fine we expose the man ay okay obi an akoma ha no ohu message bi e bi po dan for keke oso good night dear keke Asempa
I miss you
I mean hey wa miss you
na obema kan I miss you pe na I onipa na suspicious
odwen say I miss you no on na nke so ka kire no so de bia me no na TV into I miss you
na I miss you no ye kan e kire say obi a odona na
that's the perception
ma feel but it just ma won't me can ma feel nche obema onyanko bema
utimeka but you have to look at the content first. Normally you catch them.
Anything over can.
Yes,
my few.
And yes, I'll be gay. But we catch up as we say 826 in so on own challenges. It's at the end say bien kan papa en nature de. Nti e to da lock na ya na enye bad. But say o ba o ti na ma bi ase a eso password no e available to her.
Okay.
Enye bone so what you say. But so you be a ohu oye petia ense money hu just to save your own marriage. Is as a phone bit me ayra na bia ene mobile bank na ade ade on hia o password e bia won send o password bi po one delete email no no be akon obe drill risk our accounts money na be say alloc na obeko di code sanya money na be fi phone so watch as so comfort fa be what e bia wo okay me de me fa hwe e se me hu kanyinti log bi am na me phone so anya de papa
okay
e say log that's
all right so me phone sina ko Roger Kumo yama doctor Oreku Junior Akwaba Asempa 94.7 FM no asogo a wuti ebisa na ya hwe se the use of mobile phones koso e wo fie o ha ba na de ba e de ntikra na aye na asa akoye emre bia beda ho family phone obi man se family phone obi se mfa e de na na wo so e de kwanti na warefo chete phone intumi na fie mo bia ho nto no na akoye mra family phone o ha be na wo so wanya e wo phone e use mu aware mu titru ni efie ono okru entem Roger Kum abansa mama Dr. Oreku Junior Akwaba dog Akwaba na wo to say
Nyankopo Adom
nkoko boko de
nkoko where 5 is your topper
no I was we ku yen graza
na wi ana mo ba so who dare you go and explain it to
who dare umpia adware ho kra no enso nyu
me bedu am to me kra I tell you me to me kra
mo akwu kwan no wan mo mra ku apem why misrem
ona from about
Utra bokobia na just
all right to bet me on Facebook live Asempa 94.7 FM man fa dwen edwumadie eniem so kona kofa fa comment to ho na yenhwe se o how be na mobile phone ni use dia bra wa ware mu family phone and sa de no password da to so no kwa de ntina de to so ho hyehye enhye be na maye afa ho wa ware mu ntia we nkofo obi phone we mfa ne ho ama o ha be kwa de abrɛ mo pen e wo mobile phone ho yen share sa experience na say ne e course no e wa Asempa 94.7 FM message ne ko Facebook live na yen kan fama already kum ma mitie we
me da say ye my doctor Akwaba afi yin ne ye man official pa
official pa emu official pa
and so muju pa topic you know I think it's a password, a form of security, or the use of mobile phone and devices. One who say, you do ya say, yeah, you do ya say, now Bible here, and say what is some be into say, oh, device via now, or the password better so computer and other stuff, and can any bonnie for safety. So now I be kind, in case obi krampo awia obetimi etumika akọ so ka ko decode mpa obe flash bibia enti no obenya wo document anase wade bia wa service bia o sika bia ne onema bi e wo so no se onya kwan enyusu sometimes okromfo ewia o phone na nye phone na wawia na ye yawo na mo no niema e wo phone ne so no na mama obenya opportunity ehu privacy en niema bibre o ha answer na odebe ne obeye no na wanhwe ya na sabio wadaja eda bonten enu nti enka password eda wo device say wo phone so a e wo fia aware man kan say hwe na mo no on say ade papa bia na ya abuse no so aware mu no aye akoye amamre ne emra bi eno yanyi ye hu ninti na saa ye di ho ayenyi ni nyina ya ware ahyase o keka ko ha eya na kwan no wa say obeka fi aware ahyase abedu ba bia ye ken kwan ya fa so ware no eno na awie ye say me kai say na me ware na Sunday ye kwa sorry it's car ye tenemu aware wedding car na ye tenemu no on say Saturday no mo tena two cars mbe man on your term mbe man on your term ba Sunday mo nyina betena car ba kum iti ye do asore no mi si ya na matokwan ya me wura asore dem ena na so panyi bi apf asore dem mo no say ajikum na den umie o yere ana say wedding fresh nti and go feel say mi si ye no me fa other gate na makwa door no na ma bie me wife na che say you know ɛna maanyɛ saa ɛna meka kyerɛ sɛ o papa we
The yes, I
de
will.
hyɛ I want to man nkɔ wie
When you're romantic. Member Bagana, member don't do not romantic.
ɔde bi ɔmo ka
but you see though menyɛ romantic but me de hyɛ aseɛ no meti wei sɛ mepie na memfrɛ me yere koraa onni complain sɛ adɛn na wapie na womfrɛ me because abrabɔ no everyday bia nsakraeɛ ba wohyia ɔbaa foforɔ anaa okunu na nea wode bɛhyɛ aseɛ no mokɔ mo anim na mowɔ mo mma ɛkɔ school adwuma mu nso no ebi adwuma no baako mmienu bi aka ho nneɛma bebree bɛsi a wanhwɛ a wontumi nshow consistency ɛwɔ nea woyɛ wɔ okunu ho ebi ɔsɛ obi tie ma ɔbɛda ɔte but sanity enti ɛba saa wodi akorɔkorɔ bi wofi adwuma bi akɔfa wapɔ adwuma na akɔfa restaurant bi akɔtɔ aduane bi na wode ama no ɛnam a yɛntɔ na wotɔ wode ma no woyɛ saa ɛyɛ kakra na ɛma ba mu na responsibility ne dɔɔso na wo ne yɛ sesa na ɔno ampo ɛtɔn suban bi ma wo ebia na wonyɛ wadwen sɛ wobɛkɔfa no n'akyi o ɛnso no na ofi aseɛ ɛtɔ jabra akɔfa anya gea bi wɔ adwuma mu jabra wanya gea bi wɔ adwuma mu ɔhu nti wɔyɛ saa no nyinaa na ɔno nso ringi suban foforɔ wɔ tirim to bɛhu no na afei wafi aseɛ live a life of security and insecurity ɔhu nti anka wode password bɛto wo phone so ɛyɛ sɛnea medical ka no but the disadvantage baako no sɛ yɛpie a yɛpie abɔnten mekae ade asa but me bra panyi film wonya akwanhyia ɛyɛ ne phone ɛna no ani phone yɛ saa ɛhwɛ number ɛwɔ so ɛno mu baako ne yɛde ɛrekyɛ abusuafoɔ wote ase enti phone no ɛnyɛ ofie nko aho ebetimi ayɛ bibia betimi asi a ebi kwa wonya opportunity na wafa phone ɛde ayɛ call obi na ɛbɛfa ɛde ayɛ call password da so ɔbɛyɛ den na wabie it is like a password na so a opiki ya gba na ɔyɛ den na nka wɔ frɛ madam fo bi ɛyare na ne yare no mu yɛ den kakra nti afei no oni control phone ho yɛnya nti yɛnya du baby na afei wadu tibia bi mu a o phone wontimi yusu na yire ɛna kura ne phone edu baby kura adwuma mu namfo bi frɛ no abisa sɛ ne ho te sɛ ana o yire na be receive calls ne nyinaa enti ekoba say na yirinya opportunity e process phone no eni e behwe text messages WhatsApp messages oka na account mu read ni nyina enti oyedin oba na yedin na wo hwe ne kunu wie ya ne kunu fi hospital bae no eni e behwe cross examination enya sekito a be ma no so e fa na chi nkoma woni ohonum kra na odi discover say be man na oba foforo ayeden afa yefunu enti we no password eda so a nka oba na ntimi yeden access ba okodo tibia bi so a password na ehu hia because edu point of death no wo de password so ayeden e na afa nso no so we kra chewa enti then because wo da wo pan empa so enti ne ni ebesi bia na wadaja kra na dabo nti na ni oboni awaye ohun enti oba ne hu efi hono no sese ya oba foforo na wo hu no ampa ampanyampa oba foforo na one na anyinsen a e wo fo ni so yina oba na wo be ma no ehwe no enti sa suban enti e na password wo so
bare en hwe se ne a emfa me phone na aye mra me de me phone de emfa we nso se me de emfa
si enyi ehun ni
aware fo no nso de
enyi ehun ni enyi ehun ni e ma no nye oba aware otwempena ho ebi aware woni na adwuma mu boss ana adwuma mu worker bi etwempena odi dwa sabi ebi oni driver bi etwempena na emfa me phone ni nyina empo anya sika say obehu mobile account how much is on your mobile account
no kware say burden so be because ebi a opinion no kra wonim
yes but ni nyina ye mpena twen
ene kwabra ne kodwade ya phone is say
mpena twen
e sapom
otim de samana
put ase be ma bi a woni oba ne bon komo bi either say WhatsApp message and say text message
but me I feel say we use mobile phone na baby out sebe camera wash or bathhouse and as a bathroom re camera and how just do phone because it depending what you buy. Mobile phone is mobile.
Many times. I media call. But
me quite say me wo a year. Back we see. WC so that me Peter before.
Put me kind near me brain. E ho na what me kinga o message.
E ho na me dwe me ho.
Wo be wie no na wa kan bi na ja when information.
Me trans now we wa dwen say wo pem no o kire ya ne wa ka.
Now we feel for one day. Sadia ye o na ko ja phone e asem. Oh enti ya nyi ehun ni. Obema no enje ni o ye niam bia ma oba na suspect no. And anasa onyi ni ukran po di nkyere oba na so oba no discover say me kunu family a aware na breaki enti eno na ya family for onye say but to say nyame adom say me fie say me ni me yire password or obi also all right but me ni password obo to say na bie ebi ho a enkwala no kura nti because say pictures na eba no untimi determine
Titu ni WhatsApp
picture ni video
WhatsApp group platforms are hold on.
Na ebi o a one day me ba no me baby picture bi on my phone so in fact I have me bebre enti nkwala ni nti ebi o a na wa lock no enkeye so ware no effective na yonkofa wo mu a se password da so mpo a we be ka che ne yonko na we so ka che even we ATM card mpo we yire betimi di ni ATM card
me ko ye ne ma ne be yire nyina di
o de be ma o de be ma asan when
o be yiri nyina
ma me fa we here say
me dey don kwale me fa ma
oh me the pass me the be ma no hwa makatua wakatua wo main salary ma me nkyerɛ o clear bi ene mema etie mi nyina doctor wa ha we enye medicine I think so.
Is that what I do more?
I think so. Main salary and find see oyere. Main salary. So we just saying, if you say, we major adwuma oye, any akatua receive and find see oyere no. Mani who say, oje 2,000, oje 3,000 say. Number no, ye increase ya enkanche no. O just say, afi part time dey no so enkanche no. For example, if I say when you say me just say enu mu na me loan expenses nyina nti onim pay slip no say na ekono nti say main salary no wo di ye bibia otewase unni bia otease na mo no say bia we part time bia we receiving kitenkete no de wo hia so bebu akonta wo yesa obenya somdwe wo hu ba wo di sie no a ti ATM so wo ATM to the main salary accounter what the man enseshwe
no onyi no da wa no akoyi bi o
enseshwe but bibia nsi kwan so say obetimi anya other account for private allowances be our receive
okay
what you say
all right Asempa 94.7 and was so good uti emerima fa adwe guso aye fa adwe obetimi de adwe nche no afa Facebook live for na ya kenkan edi ama Asempa 94.7 into Facebook or na ya kenkan edi ama nti yenko na yene Owura Jekum no Owura Jekum awie yene Dr. Oreku eni enkomodog yenye wadwe nche
yo me dasi yeti fo nyina na mene akasa fo mi na edika no ebi ya adwen oba bi ni Mr. Jekum all come for salary ye die ya na me kra ba na me sar we ka na be bi
okay ne ya se ne ya account
ene ya bubu de
yes I don't maybe no de
na it depends on say ebia ska obiju hwe ema ese so de ne obi see but emo ska no so pa masa demand no and also the call
any dog and they are whatever
dey
kese
Adom could say our trust
okay
our trust say oba no judi wo so gin nyoma bi a mo mienu no mo be ya ma mo ho enti trust ne bank ade a say wo de be kire no won fanche no kra ho no ya na enhyeda enhadwen me yira accounts say me pese me kom ba me de up to now no ya na me mane hunu
ya okom
oh yeah nti a me mane hunu say on say nkola no ebi ko school ebi ewura vase mu ya nkiti ebi ewura vase mu enti esese wo mani hu sika no daily income and daily expenses so awo ya ama wankoye extra.
Okay.
Ene ya de ba ko.
Phone no phone so.
Phone yes sir. Ekwan bi so no wo de wo lock no. Na ekwan bi so ubitumi agya ne saa. But me can't experience I say utumi nya bit say on say wonya phone to say we on say uja for omienu me so me mafa we me fa lock bia nto so me lock no
so a business line
enti ekura me saa no me ko ba bia e kanea me de ye me nioma ho e bia me access nioma net no we no na de nyina eno de say me de lock e de to so ni say ntiri say enioma e wo so no say e bia oba no ehu a ena na akasafo edikan kan no enye obia yadwuma ya yese a very very dangerous and risky say a man no ebinom etumi a more message say I love you
no there about true
some okra mo de yesu sa I love you the way you speak the way you talk no mo kaka sa se nyina enti so oba no ebie no hu a ebi kura no a wo be ma no kura no wadwene kura enko ho ena wo kura no un decide say o no collabo obi but wo hu sai we no a obi won say na obema problem bi o pictures bi su to me ba bi o e man bi so on fa those words na ma o to me the pictures bi ma hu bi o mutumi eyi o mu hu nyina no mo atwa yeah no o de abrel last will be trouble. Look at this. Don't you appreciate it? So now, Neso Obano so ebie no. Don't you appreciate it? Who say? Osha adaduro beda. Ona cheso odubewuru wasum Neso ye extrovert ya. Wa obi who say yes. Extrovert about fear. Odo betwa so sa be treat with say feel phone no na say bia wo yo no nyamfo e bia na ofere de nipa na science we hu sa de nti obekasa manafe apia afi wani bewu o te say bia me ye adwuma na nurse fo bo hu say na mami e kasa na me nurse fo gina wono obekasa bia misuban enya na fe nti anka wunya ne mienu a te say we wa ha we de lock da so we so ni nyina wo ko ba bia nti se ko ba se ti se na ajeje kum ka no BBC say ye kraka e bi accident ana bi betun asi we no so omufa we no mu we no omufa we om betun abie omu bia we say me wo contact bi wo so a ba bia obefre bia obenya busuafo so na ma choro edi no wo so a eno no uhu a eno bia obetun afa but ba ko ne de wo de ye wo nyoma fa kusi ana de no kwasem no wo de two free sa de a na wanka so ammoa ho na wo de ohaw bebre wankasa ho do we messages no eba de but we no wo de nyoma bebre aguso a WhatsApp ne de be mo kika yi Twitter but opekese ana me fa me ho ye example me say me phone me kodware me fanko me ko private me fanko
me the private no dey me ko ho na me kwekwa me say me feel comfort
me course ba me say mo receive course no me wo ba bi kura me tumi ja ena me sense adwene bia ni metimu say bibi e wo so
say adwene ni utimu enye masam ne saa ne ma bi obi ho kura enye masam kura but ne private life bi kura nye enkofo bi ono mo relate no course e pass no person dey kura beti
some group bi a owo we no so
obi ho anya say masam o obi ho ha business bi ode no ho ene na afofo bi no because ene we be friend was no a of criminal things.
Yeah.
On person you be who class
sir.
Or you associated with some of those.
Yeah. And me say no, me phone there at the horn where you free. Na call it to me fa. Me hear it to me fa. Obi a fabi. Cause be a me see tie. You cry me wife was I'm so tie call no.
And number in the radio so.
Number in the radio so. And the face so me ankasa so me hear call no. Me nya call ewo ebia bisa me ne me wife
na wapie
na mapie
eno nkra de hu aje se ene gina ho ne kasa ma ne hunu nkomo ne kakra na bia network na nya
enya wa hello o se de me ti ni yebo entino e ba ne sa no a e ma oba no sa say obe suspect o eno ma nyo bi no ebi kura mpo na wo ye but esan say one man free or you need to know on to me suspect o kura man ye eno nti omo mutie ye na de nyina enhwe say phone wo ye mienu aye ebia na ho so na se ba kono na obeto so a ma wo yire ni hu say o no boni bia eni utiru bibia eni uti ebasa o fa phone no de ye bibia me say me phone eni da ho me wo mienu ti say me ka mienu ba kono a me de lock up me amitumi bie de to am say obisa me say opese oye call message na wa for koye o call ape ube hu message emfa me ho uwe bia because minim say message bia ni so a me no ena afi so say message I love you na de no kra wo so a me fine me delete nyoma aje bia otumi eto sometimes obisa me say na da na we no nyina wo so na unyi firi hu so obi yi ana tena wo do phone so de man crofo say ye ko mu hu am be suspect obi bia na wo so aka na me say okay ene delete na no onwa delete no ma enti me phone me ni problem o me phone ho enti so wo problem dia ene na hwe wakwan yie because what the lock e de to so e ma na ye dindindin a me sika wo so bibia wo so otumi bia me so otumi hwe bi o ha me say ne opese obi a opese oyi bia yi na emom me ma limit say ebia is
say akara terms and conditions apply
what me da ka tell you me the condition de to home say me we we pe ade a me koye no me ntumi ye nti yiduru ha ayesa say wo hwe so so afama de ma me na nka na watu nti ubetumi de atoso opese obetumi de ba ni nyina ebegina wo be ma no so Mark.
All right. And yanko ahoma so 0302 216545 and afi 0302 216546 Asempa 94.7 Merriman fa twentwumadie ena wasogu a otie ye frame Mike 2 na ye na ka mobile phone ensemsem ne a ede aba wariem password any family phone and home komo and I we experience ne say na also so komo yi oje ne say but o ka so when you from say
apacho you from Heaven brother me kase free bro
okay Heaven brother it you
pacho me mere coming ko ma je de ama free e be man ko je nti me kan san say oba say na je say sebe na je say akola je nti afitasia na wode ne ba fie na wo se o mane ti ase se obi bia no o mfansie no na de ehia no mane hu se we ehu hia me nti e mane ko ho ana se obekọ ho kora na wonye careful na wonye obi a wo ye sa no mane nti no I so o mane hu se yes wo don nti na wode na ba don nti obi bia wo se woni ne ehu se sei na mo bayan na wanye ne sa na ese odi sie ne dia ese dia wuntimi fancy abra wonhu e dia obo so anu na ya na de mistakes de ba aware ntem nti sa ne de ya ne mema na ya nhwe ye na ya ne senia ese
okay all right having brother that's it echia begrofo a unimom Asempa 94.7 FM 0302 216545 mema emfa dwen dwumadie enie mobile phone o hawa de abawarie mu ene ho nkomo na ye boy e ba joka so when you from say
my two baby
yes baby
me dey papa ya me kase fi come and come check me to mobile phones all my bed anymore my two
okay you too
kaka me kan say asema on bed e mo dey asema ball my two mo dey asema papa the me kan say my two enu I say my two me jam me phone to come 7 me the lock to so or bounce na fire or fire me last call me here no I no free fan say me jam me phone to come me na majima dey the mark 2 7 the lock to so for every decide to me who be man and mark 2 come in the local to Sobera go inside. What mean kono yina me bia dey. Enfe. The local 2 phones there say oba oni be mati. Na some mudi mudi am to me say million me me here. Tell me ton phones. We go from new receipt. To say me or the panel number. Na say oba be number no be frame me. Na say wo me le be fa. Na say be o just say me plan no dia. And the wala. To me me here me nya call no receive am problem. We do receiving the call any problem. Ma two. Me nya me
all right, papa, that's a just second for Adom Asempa Fm so ne na radio Adom nti da so tetea ha nti wo Adom no bi aka wa friend na yenko ye nim 0302 2165 216545. Hello,
good evening.
Yes sir.
It is say
radio Adom oye
asam we amode buy asam kase o. To be frank, media to me dear say me yere of family call enye boni. Na me so use ni phone na enye boni. Se wo di tu ho na wa fa. Se onu badwin sa wo ye bribia. Umfansi no. Na se wo ye bibi krampo a na ohun a ochiwa kan kwani tire no. Enti se me disie die or the our retire ni assumption be breba. Enti me dem medwin say yen fa phone to ho. Onu so on use we call on your call. Assembly by jara ho e kasa woni. Bi na me.
All right. Yeah, that's a pay. All right. Asempa 94.7 FM. Hello. Hello.
Johnny Monio, because of your phone cover.
You are just you.
Hey, for India says when you are hire you.
I swear.
Na say phone ya beto aware. Na ya mafo ade we ya bofo mo awon fa bi mu na isimi bu aware za de ha bi.
Ne bo nso den, ebi bo den.
Oh, e ma ni bi si aron pa mo asem. Wo ko pe be ma bi aba na ko pe be ma. Na be ma ko pe ni bi aba. Wo bi se wo bi aba na ko pe no ngwa na one ni be wo. Da bi oboko bi aba o de bi obenya foforo. Oh, any message de obakan yawo. Ma me ka se mi jiro. Ababa wa bia meni no na Mary a woni be ma ko fa ni fre creation o de no ba. O ba na ni bo bi e je se. On pe be ma ni bi mti o pe me ma foforo. Onu ti mi yi adwuma no discana sene me ma. Ana da ko be ma no ehwe message no tracy ya ko MTN office. Ko hu number no hu je se be ma no discana sene. Eni dia mo kana de ye no kure na ye mo modern se umpa be ma no a kai se umpe no umpo ba na kai se umpe no because you nyina no yare ne ne ma ne de ma ye ho imu da mo nko so ye tie na mo me kan se phone die eni kwa se ma wari guba.
Okay, yeah, that's a pay. Hello. Yes sir. Okay, so when you from say Rara, okay. Okay, you too.
No problem. Now, so Bako, Takudumbo, or Bakudan, there were good neighbor.
Okay. Right, that's a chair, Rara for our minimum. Asempa 94.7 FM, Mema, and 5 Juma DNA 0302 216545. Yes, mobile phone, or how I deba warim, and Mra Baho, or Bazem family phone, Bemazem family phone, password at the Dasso, and I won't come on NIAD. Hello? Yes, sir, but talk us when you're frozen.
But because of the Moniano Castle branch.
Okay, you too.
You see on fire.
Yeah, Jodo.
But you, today, Mayor, you phone now, a quarter as the wage man, may you correct. And I said, oh, so could phone on the quarter, may you correct. I didn't 9 there, 0.9 there, or before you my war. And see, that my arm with the margin to form a motion. And there you are 1 week now. Mobile buy. The same thing. I'm an oracle don't put in. Enjoy that, my mocano. Or your pepper, no more musruka. As 9 days, you my work. Nanka, measuring you, according to measuring you, not the alpha phone. Nanka, pattern order, Nina, one would have me wait for their balance and phone. Now, for a while now. You my work, Pamucho. Maybe if you go more, Yano, TV, I'm going. Munkodunka, na yen second so. One more time.
Monzagra. Ever last one. Asempa 94.7 Merman Faji. If I talk as away.
My fashion, my cassette, as I want to say, Nana Jamie.
Nana Jessica, Papa B.
You, with the Iramasepa. I'm say, make cry, and I know Asempa. Aha, make her Valentine winners, you know.
Oh, okay.
Aha, and see Asempa for the bomber basopa.
Yeah,
and draw my minute, come up, papa, but me bomber baso.
Yeah, that's it.
Yo. Now, I just say, me come out and so I'm say, simple. You see, baby, the teacher one and one is son. He said, if you are going to share the man, no, our partner, and I will have to share our banner or partner. That's Suban, then who say no one anything. A crown, so could share our petition bar. Who to our pay Chiroa, then who say our petition bar on all day, and all. And she, and I say, Senia, no studio on the car, some of them want to be there, and I said, Bonibia, over upon the answer the big goo, our warrior, now and the day, walla.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Intimate for Afrophobia Bio. Asempa 94.7 FM. Abejafoy. Simaba ko ba ko na yem fancy.
Okay. I think say a man almost almost doable. Almost can be. We a bema now of worry. Na Dr. Ray Dickerson was say obeti me is meaning some meeting here. Na worry pese o chimpena o yirechi. Ebinom mo on say o baby o catch and say ma worry mpo a obeti wase. It will be who say no be program o ene wo frɛ when you say this time we will fee this time we say but who go worry no where you ring at all. And I was say me worry. And I say oba no when him say when ya be bia enche obe worry no. Inti anytime bia otimi send no message obey obi bia message WhatsApping and calling and inti because when him say we ni obi a inti free range but near bia when him say worry no obe say obe send no messages no obetimi abon nkomo bia wa bonte. I'm not saying say obi we inti obi nkoye bio but obo nkomo nyina wa bonte a obe fia if you have a fee, and I say segment time, would you receive you call? Say a bon nine, if you receive you call beam. Catch any pan said this time you receive you call. A bassa MFE a year, and don't live in suspicious life. The man partner who say, Aden, I say, oh yes, I
don't know when you're calling out the appearance
and fire home to so.
All right, Ivy.
But the American say,
now, what's up on 10 day, no?
Yeah, I would tie. I
wanted the Adriani D.
Side chicken.
Side chicken, I saw now.
Side chicken, you're very home to so.
I don't know.
Lock
there.
Lock there. All the two phones were and you're bad. But say who can you be a walk man? For password man and yashi. So be walk man for man. Would you say why you mistake dada? Say bia wife you bia ota what can mistake bia e bia also suspect ota check you phone now for password to so and I want to so go fear pair for a form to blacklist simple you say software above you can download it on the net what do want to WhatsApp in 90% do Emma utimi yempo no no number be for be Emma what you baby just to save your marriage.
Obetimi mute no. Obetimi
mute. Seriously, because I dey be on my way now. E save you our
yes.
Our go in here the po. Bible mpe Quran mpe. It's for you to save it in there and have a password to so. Simple. And as a block your blacklist.
WhatsApp no. Obetimi mute no. Obetimi not to mute. The message be
simple.
Yeah.
Wait,
prevention. Some confessor moon idea. Give them measures.
So password minimum there. be anke hu hia hu hia say o say o ma
adeni
ye free
uni adwemo ne
da bibia ntachire because sa time we na frame we na de no na de nyina me fi say na meka ne say so we ye no free na o na mpo akoba say wo ye mpo a oba na suspect o na say na meka enti me wom de menyi tu say o the password de to so na mom no o bomodin say empo no the password be to so a that say payam no back for count in case of anything we are not once when you more because say ko ba say o ho akire osisi anu alock da ba bia ye bie ufo ya usu ntumi nkasa one na wo my friend no but say we ni kan ho a wotume de onsa kra ye sign o mu fa sa phone no no mo ya na eja wa ya rescue afi ba bia wo no na de na ntino to me no me feel say ehun ya say the password beto so because ye gi ehun di
all right yeah that's it dog na yakoi afuto ba ko pe ye do ani diem 30 seconds ye do ani diem
so we dey teto
tew se kwadu ene sa ne ma ne ayi mo bibi ba ko pe
na no advantage dia mo awie
o de mo bibi ba ko pe
okay yo me sa
no go dey bibi ba ko pe mo
bibi ba ko ka say okay ene na ahweyi say obehwe ho ye wo akoma ho because this time na akoma no free be say silent killer nti obetumi ahwe de akwasama de ya nti wo wewe enam ne nchene ne nsano ne smoking na de na why very careful na anadwe didie ene kebab ne
no de ga kuma no efa ne ho be
masa etume build cholesterol ewo mo entini mu etumi sisi e ma home no sa akoma no na ya odi otume pumping moja and defend pedua na kwa nyina nti se mu sisi a etume ekokofa o hypertension ne cardiac arrest ne heart attack heart failure na angina pectoris ne yakika nyina coronary arteries nti no anya wo so bi onu son hasa na chesa akoma no nti mo nti moja no nti voko ebetwi di stroke abrel ebesan so amwa collapse ana so afenti na o fenti no wa back a na o kwa faro and nti na say udidi a ohwani nti me na make the attract no say mama yendi local fruit and local diet na fe udidi so a we still no and chini bebre nutrient ni nyina be free mu na mo no asan so di abom no mane noso enkwan so no mane noso na jai nam no kakra na di aduane kakra na di fruit nti
na ho say okay dog my numbers and I said branches akra had in the me na ya
adwuma wadawro
anti Malam CP Malam CP your kwan no alpha party no botanic hospital and I fe teshi nungwa baby a fro Malik runabout I want to the same soundboard and I opesa wo frɛ your normal na finance clinic normal na 0 no 5 no 4 okay
5 no 4 na fe abo 41 na fe abo 704 na open personal number so I know say 0246 983611.
Okay.
Was it
0 no 05 here?
0 no 5 and 4. Na 41.
Nti na the 5 no be 5. 4 no be 5.
5 and 4.
Ah, okay. Okay. It's 0 5 and 4. 0 5
No 41. No 704.
Okay.
Now mention there 0246 983611.
All right, dog get us. Now no under be a free phones na. E we na obi free bridge say dog yi na me say dog number no. Tene ya de aba mo pe Dr. Oreku Junior no.
Ope free.
Sir.
Oh, sir chief here. Say mo na mo wo we no so. Ntino nti sir chief.
Okay.
Nti ya sending a drone.
Oh, okay. Nice one. No say na want to say.
Okay. Well, you're sending 2 months drone to on fire primary, but me sure say because ota frame me pa anajo yeah dano.
No more na feel
oh yeah of refugee Japan. Okay. You know. Yes, I know. on frefra me dear don't man no no you know a di by 2 weeks na fe no frame bio me say
okay yeah that's it doctor number no ya no afre no 0555541704 Asempa 94.7 yeah from Mike to Reku Dr. Reku Junior on Dr. Alpha Homeopathic Clinic and Dr. Reku okay Mr. Ajokum and afi IB and yedi juma de bro gift yan time so attach nyame yadoma ebesa hia ochina Adom Entertainment Hall and numere na say we are no mensa ya na wati bi friend Mike too nyame nka bibia boko de ene juma de ba wakwan